Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by making sure your Google account is already signed into the device. This saves time and prevents extra prompts. Open Among Us and tap the profile icon in the top left corner to reveal sign-in options. Once done, pick Sign In with Google. The game calls the device account picker. Make sure you have a stable connection, and if you're on Wi-Fi, keep it enabled until the process finishes to avoid interruption or repeated prompts. You'll now see the Google account picker. Tap the account you want a link to Among Us. After choosing, the game asks for permissions. Profile and email are typical. Read them and tap Allow to proceed. If your account isn't listed, choose Add Account, follow the device prompts to sign in, and then return to Among Us to retry. Remember, permissions let the game store progress and friends' data, so granting them connects your play history safely to your account. You finish by confirming the game shows your account name in the profile area. That means sign-in succeeded and your progress will sync. If the process stalls or shows an error, close Among Us entirely and restart the app, or reboot the device, then try again. If problems persist, open Google account settings to check security prompts or revoke and regrant permissions for Among Us. This often clears token errors. Finally, make sure the app is up to date.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.